everyone. My name is Sandeep. I head the marketing division in Agromech Industries. So Agromech is very one of the biggest HoReCa store in Hyderabad. So we are a 5 decade old company and we have around 30,000 plus products with a 1.5 lakh square feet, which is one of the biggest store in Hyderabad. So today we are participating in this India HoReCa store for the sixth consecutive time, and every year we are expanding our stall size, and this year we introduced 5 new brands with a lot of different varieties which are into the current marketing trends.